Now that you've created a benchmark and applied it to your device groups, you might be thinking, okay, I know where I'm failing. But now what? That's the best part. SecPod doesn't stop at just showing you a big red bar with no direction. Instead, we give you the tools to actually fix those misconfigurations and bring your devices into compliance quickly and easily. To get started, head over to the Fix Misconfigurations tab at the top of your screen. This is where all the remediation happens. Since in the previous video we applied the CIS version 3 benchmark to Windows 11 devices, we'll continue with that same example. In the drop-down for Windows 11, you'll now see a list of all the configuration changes required to fix the deviations detected by the benchmark. Next to each item, there's detailed information, what the rule is about, the countermeasures it applies, the impact of making the change, and what to expect once it's applied on the endpoint. You'll also find practical info like the severity of the deviation, and whether applying the fix will require a device reboot. This is important because it gives you full visibility into what changes you're about to make, and how those changes might affect your users or operations. So, you're never left guessing or worried about surprises once the fixes go live. Once you've reviewed the list, go ahead and select the configurations you want to apply. You can pick just a few or go ahead and select all of them if you're ready to fully bring your systems in line. Then, click on Apply Selected Configurations at the top right. This opens up a remediation wizard, which allows you to tailor the job exactly how you want it. You can configure options like reboot behavior, whether or not to show patching notifications to the user, how to test the deployment first, and even run custom scripts before or after the job runs. These controls help make sure that remediation fits your internal process, whether that's minimizing user disruption, testing for impact, or ensuring compliance with change control policies. Once you're happy with your setup, go ahead and deploy the fixes. That's it. Just give it a moment, and you'll start to see those red compliance bars turn into green right before your eyes. And this is really where the value of SecPod's approach shines through. You're not just identifying problems, you're solving them. With minimal manual work, clear context, and a workflow that's as fast as it is flexible, you're closing the gap between detection and action. If you'd like to continue building on this, check out the next videos in the series. We'll walk you through other powerful modules like vulnerability management, risk prioritization, and endpoint control, so you can see how all the pieces come together into one unified, prevention-first security strategy.